Hello guys, Matthew here from UChat. So in today's video, we're going to talk about UChat now support multiple languages, okay? And I will show you how to change to different language as a user. And also we offer this option for our partners as well. So if you are serving, certain clients, you want all the workspace and your custom domain to be another another language by default. Now you can have this option, okay? And also we UChat need your help to translate the platform into the other languages as well. So I will also show you how to help if you want, okay? So now let's get back to the content we are going to talk about today. First of all, let me show you as a user how you are going to switch to the different language. So let me share my screens over here. So as a user, if you go to your top right, click your profiles, and you go to your settings, and then you will find that there is a language options over here. Okay, currently we support English, Chinese, Portuguese, Spanish, Hebrew, and you can just switch over here. So this is only take effect for you, okay? And as a partner, we also, as I said, we also offer these options for our partners as well. So as a partner, how you are going to switch the language, and let me show you. So as a partner, you will have these options in your white label settings, and you will have partner settings over here, okay? And over here, you can select the default language. So when you select this, every workspace created and your custom domain will using that language, okay? If you find anything, the translation is not to the point, you can actually reach out to us, and or you can download the files I'm going to share with you later, and you can make the changes and we will upgrade, okay? And also for the new features we introduce, we still need your help to translate that part into your language, okay? So now let's get back to how you can help. So first of all, let me show you is we have hosted our source file at the GitHub at this link, okay? I will also include this link in the description below. And now let me show you how to get to these files. So this is the files we shared, okay? So we have two files we need to translate. First is you can find this EN. So this is all the language that in the front end, okay? And we also have the files that need to translate. We have at the backend, okay? So the backend is located at this folder. You can just download the language, and then you can make the changes and you can send out to me and we will upgrade, okay? So another thing is very important is when you translate language in JSON file, all this file is in JSON file, okay? You must not change the content of the key, okay? You just change the value. For example, let me open this is the front end, right? So this in green, this you do not need to change, okay? You just need to change this, the value of the key into your own language, okay? So that is the front end and the back end files. The front end files have 3,860 lines for now. Back end have 520 lines, okay? So as I said, you just translate the value, not the keys. You need to keep the keys at the same place, and it needs to be also complete. Otherwise, our system will not recognize, there will be missing keys, so it will not usable for us. And also, since this is a lot of content, right? So we actually suggest you to use some online JSON translator, okay? So that will down the first level of translation, and then you can make the changes based on the result, okay? So you can search Google for the online JSON translators, and I actually suggest one of these translation service over here. I will also include the link down below in the description. And here is the support. You just choose the format over here and choose the language you want to translate into. Okay, so they support, I think they support a lot of languages over here. It's just as a free, if you want to translate for free, they have some limits so that you need to copy, bit by bit, and then you can make the translations. So I will share one examples of here. So for example, let me go to the backend. Okay, I want to translate the backend from English into Chinese, and I will copy. So the issue is you can copy these whole files into a notepad, okay, and then you cut so that you will not miss anything. Okay, so I will, for the simplicity, I will just copy this over here, and I go to this online service. Okay, I can just paste over here, and you need to make sure that it's a valid JSON. Okay, if you are copy just part of that, you need to delete the last comma, and then you add a curly bracket over here, and so that it's a valid JSON over here. Okay, just keep it very small. Okay, maybe 20 lines or 30 lines at a time, and then you can click the language you want to translate. So for example, I can translate over here. As you can see, it's already translated. So I just copy this, and I will paste in the notepad over here. Okay, and then I will just go through the translation. If there is anything change you want to make, you can just make it over here. Okay, and you just repeat this same process for the other files as well. You just need to make sure you do not missing any keys, or you do not have any duplicate of the keys. That's why I suggest that you save the whole files in a separate notepad and just cut, not copy. Okay, because it's copy, you very easy to miss or add extra keys. Okay, so you just cut this, and then you can just do another copy into another translation, and you just make sure it's a valid JSON over here, and I will just add another, so it's a valid JSON, and then you can translate. Okay, and you just need to copy this one back into the files. So I will add this back into the files, and just need to make sure it's in the right format. So you do not need this one. Okay, delete that, so that I have done the second part. Okay, and you also need to go through these translations to make sure it's properly it's relevant to the keys. Okay, so that's how you can help if you want to. And if you want to help us to do the translations for other languages, I think you reach out to me, and I will coordinate for the translation part. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys. That's for today's video. See you next time. Bye.